Today on the drone update, drones that are doing good. How DJI drones were instrumental in saving the Notre Cathedral. Drones that can save the environment by planting trees, and a drone that can autonomously save lives. It's all next. Don't go anywhere. Hey everybody, welcome to the Aerial Influence channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, make sure you hit like and subscribe. My name is David Plummer and I am here with your up-to-date drone news. We're calling this a drone update because we're not very creative. Now, we all hear the bad news about drones, shutting down airports or crashing into buildings or doing silly things. And yes, those things do happen, but today's drone update is brought to you by the good stuff. It's brought to you by the people that aren't afraid that little Timmy is spying in their window with his Nutello. It's brought to you by the people that realize that drones are going to be an effective tool for business. And it's brought to you by people that realize that drones can save lives. So let's get started. DJI drones helped save the Notre Dame Cathedral. We all watched in horror as initial reports out of Paris led us to believe that the centuries-old house of worship would burn completely to the ground. But thanks to the brave firefighters and, in part, their use of drones like the DJI Mavic Dual and the DJI Matrice 200, the famous landmark was saved from complete disaster. The aerial views from the drones helped the firefighters determine how to best attack the fire and proved to be very important in the overall operation. All right, next up, how long do you think it would take to plant 1 billion trees manually? Well, the correct answer is a long freaking time. But that time can be dramatically reduced when using a drone to plant the trees. In Myanmar, a company named Biocarbon Engineering has developed a drone that will do just that. The drones map an area, combine that information with satellite data and soil analysis, then the drone fires biodegradable pods filled with a germinated seed and nutrients right into the ground. With this technology, the company says they can plant 400,000 trees in a day, which means it would take approximately 2,500 days or a little less than 7 years to plant 1 billion trees. That, folks, is remarkable. Finally, a Swiss air rescue organization named Riga has announced a drone that can autonomously search for lost or endangered people in the mountains. Thanks to an array of onboard sensors, including a daylight camera, a thermal camera, and a phone tracking tool, the Riga drone is able to scan large areas of terrain for anyone who has got themselves into trouble in the mountains. Not only is it saving the lives of those people that are lost or injured, but it's also helping save the lives of their rescuers themselves. If you can send a drone up to see what's going on instead of sending a person, that's an amazing thing, and it's potentially saving lives. We're really happy to see these kinds of stories. That's it for today's drone update. As I promised, this was all good news today, so thank you for stopping by. Make sure you hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw today. We come up with new content at least once a week, usually twice a week. It's not just all me talking to camera. We do a lot of experiments and drone tests and a lot of really cool stuff. So make sure you come on back, and make sure if you're in the Midwest on May the 4th of this year, we are opening a 15-acre facility that is dedicated to drones, dedicated to training, research, and sales. We would love to see you come by and check out. Look in the details below. There's information about our grand opening and information about our location that you can come here anytime after May the 4th. Stop in, fly a drone, check it out. We would love to see you, and we will see you next time.